Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by committing the two given values to paper, the sum s and the product p. Next, define the unknowns as x and y, so x plus y equals s and xy equals p. This sets the algebraic link. Then translate those relations into a single quadratic in t, t2st plus p equals 0, which captures both numbers as its roots. Once done, you have converted the problem into solving that quadratic, because its solutions directly give x and y. Now compute the discriminant d equals s2 for p. This tells you the nature of the solutions. If d is non-negative, apply the quadratic formula, t equals s plus or minus sqrt d slash 2, which yields the two numbers immediately. If d is negative, you will get complex conjugates and should interpret accordingly. Make sure to simplify the square root and reduce fractions so the answers are clear. Once you have both t values, label them x and y, and verify they sum to s and multiply to p. Finish by substituting your found values back into x plus y and xy to confirm they return s and p. This double check prevents simple mistakes. For integer target problems, verify that sqrt d is an integer so the roots are rational, otherwise present simplified radical or complex forms. If results don't match, re-evaluate the discriminant calculation, arithmetic steps, and sign errors. One key troubleshooting tip. If outcomes disagree, recalc d and the final divisions first. They are the most common source of error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.